Welcome today. We will be starting one of the very interesting topic in finance, that's Indian culture. When we have starting the series on Indian culture, this is the NCERT class 11th first chapter that we would begin with. Now, let's understand the concept first. Why we started with the idea of culture, or why this cultural study came into existence. Now, once the man started to have a kind of settled life, they had their basic requirements of food, clothing, and shelter. That was fulfilled. Now, once these requirements were fulfilled, they started to explore for new avenues, and these was in forms of paintings. Now, the initial man who started this, it was during the period of Old Stone Age, and we say the period of Old Stone Age. Obviously, that time there was no written text or no written documents, no written paper that was there. So, how there he is starting to express his feelings or emotions? So that expression was through the painting that were made down. These paintings were obviously on the caves. So the caves used to be the canvas for the old age man or the old age stone period. Now this old stone age period was also known as prehistoric or Paleolithic period. Now with the evacuations we have seen that there are potteries and there were examples of old tools that were found, and mainly the caves painting. As we said, caves was the main painting area during that time. Again, why do you think these caves rocks were chosen as the sites of painting? These caves or rocks were chosen as the sites for painting because they could be visible from a distance, so a person who is standing even very far would know that would be a place he has to locate, and that's why these paintings were made on the caves or the rocks, which were huge in size. Now these Paleolithic period were divided into two phases, the lower part and the upper part. Lower part you did not have any art form, and in upper part you have some art forms. However, it came to upper Paleolithic age, you had the human figures and activities, animals, geometrical design, which were seen as the earlier signs of painting during that time. In this prehistoric rock painting, we have studied mainly two questions. First, where have prehistoric rock paintings found in India? Mainly prehistoric rock paintings found in India in the district of Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu and Uttarakhand. And the main second question is, explain the features of prehistoric rock painting. As we study in introduction the qualities of prehistoric paintings, so the main features of prehistoric paintings are man, animals, elephant, sheep, goat in geometric patterns. The colors are used in these paintings are white, black, red. Some paintings have found which is based on events of daily life, hunting scene, dancing scenes, musical instruments, and black color from shows wood. Black color is used in a wood and coal. Women are fond of making buns, wearing jewelries. There are so many features of prehistoric rock painting. Next, in this prehistoric painting, we have studied about the one prehistoric painting, that is wizard dance. In next video, we can study about the prehistoric painting, that is wizard dance. And next question is, painting of roaring animal of Bhimbetka. In next video, we have studied two main questions. That the first is wizard dance and second is roaring animal of Bhimbetka.